Good morning, penguins. I hope you all are doing good. And I really hope you must have enjoyed doing your previous activities. And today we are going to do more activities. Our first activity is the rainbow fish. As we all know, rainbow has 7 colors. So let's recall their names. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Yellow, orange and red. And let's start with our activity. Now we'll take a pom-pom from our packet and dip it in violet color, and we'll take an impression of the pom-pom like this. Now we'll take another color, that is indigo. We'll take another impression on our rainbow fish. And this is how our rainbow fish will be completed. Our second activity is make our own wrapping. Mamas can provide you with a rolling pin at home, and you can roll a bubble wrap or a thread over the rolling pin and dip it in your favorite color. Roll it over the wrapping sheet. See? Now I'll do another color on the bubble wrap. Now I will roll it again. Ooh, such a nice effect. See? And see, this is how our wrapping sheet is ready. Our third activity is cotton bud activity. And for this, we'll take a leaf and we'll paint this with green color. And now we'll take the impression of this leaf. See? Now we'll take another impression. Wow, see how nice it's looking. And now we'll make a flower cotton buds. And see, our flower is ready. Now we'll start our fourth activity, which is called tulip art. And in that activity, we'll make tulips with the help of fork. So let's start. Now I'll dip the fork in red color and take the impression of a fork. Now I'll make another tulip. Now I can dip the fork in orange color. And see, this is how our tulips are ready. And now we'll do our fifth activity, and that is making of a caterpillar. And for this we need a peg, three pom-poms, glue drops and googly eyes. First, we'll hold the peg like this and we'll stick pom-poms with the help of glue drops. This is how we'll stick the pom-poms over the peg. And now we'll stick the googly eyes. One on the right side and other on the left side. See, our caterpillar is ready. Now our last activity is tracing letters, and for this we need glitter and a plate. Now I will pour all the glitter over this plate. And now I'll start tracing. One slanting line, second slanting line, and a sleeping line. And this is how we trace alphabet A. And similarly, we can trace other letters also. Hope you all enjoy doing these activities. and I hope you all keep safe. Thank you.